this is one amazing case for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I've been using this case for the past few days and I just love it. So this is pin button case from Pitaka. The most interesting thing about this case are these buttons here on the left side. On the right, we have our power and volume rocker keys, while on the left side, Galaxy S24 Ultra has no button. But this case offers 3 buttons that you can customize or literally use for any kind of shortcut. Before moving on to that, let's unbox this. So here is the case in this Pitaka branded box. Inside the box we have our pin button case with some paperwork. By the way, this case is not heavy at all. Okay, on the back some key features are written, like pin button design means it has 3 customizable buttons right here. All around protection, premium materials, and it is also MagSafe compatible, meaning that you can use any MagSafe accessory with it. Also, the S Pen is working perfectly fine. A lot of people were complaining that their S Pen isn't working when they use a MagSafe compatible case. Right now, as you can see, S Pen is working absolutely fine with this case on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's a real element fiber case, and this is not an image or a print that you are seeing on the back. Okay, so moving on to these buttons right here, you can assign any kind of shortcut to them. For example, I can open camera app, I can open calculator app, and my notes app. So 3 buttons for 3 different shortcuts. And how this basically works? Well, the case has NFC tag, and when you press this button, NFC is triggered and it works with NFC on your phone. In order to set up your shortcuts, go to settings, tap on modes and routines. Now choose routines and add a new routine. In if, add NFC tag right here and assign the key that you want to register. Once registered, go to then, present here, and add any app or shortcut that you want. For example, here I am adding camera. And that's it. Complete rest of the process and name your tag. So now whenever you want to open camera app, just long press this key and camera app will be opened up. In the same way, I have assigned calculator app to the second key and notes app to the third key. So check out this amazing case from Pitaka for your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Its link will be down in description. And if you are interested in review of this Pitaka car mount that has dedicated shortcuts, let me know about it in the comment section. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.